Welcome back to EuroCompound. Before we dive in, a quick reminder that I'm not a financial advisor and this video is for educational purposes only. This is the EuroCompound portfolio update for September 2025. This month was all about reinforcing the strategy and putting new capital to work. The total project value, including our cash reserve, has now reached €13,178. But how do we get to these numbers? It's not random. It's all guided by a clear strategy. The master plan is a 90-10 split. 90% of our capital is invested in dividend-paying assets, while 10% is always kept as a cash reserve, our dry powder. That 90% is then structured with a core satellite approach. 80% of it is in a core of diversified, high-dividend ETFs. The final 20% is in a satellite of individual stocks, with a target of 2% for each of our 10 chosen companies. And what about that 10% cash reserve? It's not idle money. It has a precise mission: to attack market weakness. If the overall market drops by 5%, I deploy 25% of the cash. If it drops by 10%, another 25% goes in. At a 15% drop, another quarter is invested. And if we see a major correction of over 20%, the entire remaining reserve is deployed to buy quality assets at a significant discount. So, with that strategy in mind, let's look at September. The portfolio grew thanks to both market performance and our new contributions. This month, the market added over €76 to our value, and we injected €940. Following our allocation plan, we used new capital to buy shares of the iShares Euro Dividend ETF, reinforcing our European exposure. And here is the current portfolio breakdown. You can see the updated allocation of each holding. We are getting closer to our target weights for the core ETFs. As for the satellite stocks, we currently hold 7 out of our 10 planned positions. I have already decided on the final 3 companies, which will be revealed in future updates as we initiate the positions. And that's the update for September. Every contribution, every dividend, and every purchase is a deliberate step guided by our long-term strategy. The journey continues, and the compounding machine keeps working. Thanks for watching. If you want to follow along, don't forget to subscribe. See you next month.